Let's start question number second of exercise 6.3. Question is convert the following percent into decimals. Percent into decimal. So what we will do, see here is 2.85%. We have to remove the percent sign and convert into decimal. This is already in decimal, so don't get confused. We have to remove the percent sign also. Okay, so whenever we remove the percent sign, what we do, we divide by 100. That means 100 will come in the denominator. Okay, whenever we have to remove the percent sign, what we have to do, we have to divide the number by 100. That means 100 will come in the denominator. Now how we divide a number by 100? See, there are two zeros in the denominator. So what we will do, the decimal point, we will shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. So write the number as it is first of all. Now the decimal point is here and there are two zeros in the denominator, so it will shift 2 places to the left. But we are having only one place, so we will put 0 from our side and then decimal. So it will be 0.0285 like this. Okay, what will be the answer? This will be 0.0285. Now come to B part. B part is 125%. We have to remove the percent sign and convert it into decimal. So 125% means 125, remove the percent and divide by 100. Okay, now we have to convert it into decimal also. There are two zeros in the denominator, so the decimal point will come after 2 digits from the right. We will shift the decimal points 2 places towards left, so it will be here. Okay, so it will be 1.25. Leave 2 digits from the right and then place decimal. This way we place the decimal. Now come to C part. C part is 12.5%. We have to convert, we have to remove the percent sign and convert it into decimal. See how we will remove the decimal point. We will divide by 100. 12.5 is here and we have to remove the percent sign. So divide by 100. This will be 12.5 upon 100. Now we have to solve. See, there are two zeros in the denominator. So shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. The decimal point is here. Okay, if we shift 2 places to the left, this is the first place, this is the second place. So where the decimal will come? Decimal will come here. So it will be 0.125. Okay, D part is 128.8%. We have to remove the percent sign. Okay, so how we remove percent sign? We divide by 100. We remove the percent and divide by 100. That means 100 will come in the denominator. Now we have to solve. See what we do, there are two zeros in the denominator, so shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. So here is the decimal point, we will shift 2 places to the left. First place is this and second place is this. So what will be the answer? It will be 1.288. Okay, the decimal point was here. If we shift 2 places to the left, first place, second place, so where the decimal will come? Here the decimal will come, so it will be 1.288. Okay, now come to E part. E part is 85%. We have to convert this percent to decimal number. So what we will do, we will remove the percent and divide by 100. So this will be 85 upon 100. Now we have to solve it. See, there are two zeros in the denominator, so leave 2 digits from the right and place decimal. 1, 2. 2 digits we will leave and then place decimal. So this will be 0.85. Now come to F part. F part is 25%. F part is 25%. We have to convert this percent to decimal number. So if we remove the percent sign, what we will do? 100 will come in the denominator. We divide the number by 100. Now we have to solve it. See, there are two zeros in the denominator, so leave 2 digits from the right and place decimal. So this will be 0.25. So this is question number second of exercise 6.3.